Welcome to Vaishnav Craft. Chandrayaan-3 scripts a new chapter in India's space odyssey. It soars high, elevating the dreams and ambitions of every Indian. Chandrayaan-3 is also known as the LVM-3M4 mission because it is the fourth operational mission of LVM-3. Chandrayaan-3 consists of a lander, a rover and a propulsion module. The objectives of the mission are to demonstrate soft landing on the lunar surface and roving on the lunar terrain, conduct in situ scientific experiments, and develop and demonstrate new technologies required for interplanetary missions. The rover is fitted inside the lander, and together, they are called the lander module. The propulsion module will carry the lander module to a 100-kilometer circular lunar orbit. After this, the propulsion module and the lander module will separate. Chandrayaan-3 has three phases: the Earth-centric phase, the lunar transfer phase, and the moon-centric phase. The Earth-centric phase, or Phase 1, involves the pre-launch phase, the launch and ascent phase, and the Earth-bound maneuver phase, which will help the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft change its directions. The lunar transfer phase includes the transfer trajectory phase, as part of which Chandrayaan-3 will choose the path that will lead it towards the lunar orbit. The moon-centric phase involves all the steps from lunar orbit insertion to landing. The propulsion module is equipped with a payload called spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth. Shape. The function of SHAPE is to study the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from lunar orbit. This means that SHAPE will analyze the spectropolarimetric signatures of Earth. Understanding the spectropolarimetric signatures of Earth can help scientists analyze the reflected light from exoplanets and determine whether they would qualify for habitability. The lunar orbit insertion will occur in an elliptical orbit whose size is 170 times 36,500 square kilometers. After this, Chandrayaan-3 will be separated from the launch vehicle. The propulsion module will carry the lander module to a lunar circular orbit whose size is 100 times 100 square kilometers. The mission life of the propulsion module is 3 to 6 months. It weighs 2,148 kilograms and has a power generation capacity of 758 watts. The lander's payloads are Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment, CHASTE, Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity, ILSA, Laser Retroreflector Array, LRA rover, and Radio Anatomy of Moon-bound Hypersensitive Ionosphere and Atmosphere. Rambha. CHASTE will carry out measurements of thermal properties such as thermal conductivity and temperature of elements on the lunar surface near the South Pole. ILSA will measure the seismicity around the landing site and describe the structure of the lunar crust and mantle, and Rambha will study the gas and plasma environment. The lander module has a mass of 1,752 kilograms and a mission life of 1 lunar day, which is equivalent to 14 Earth days. It has a power generation capacity of 738 watts. The rover is equipped with two payloads, which are the Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer, APXS, and Laser-Induced Breakdown Spectroscope, LIBS. APXS will help determine the elemental composition of the lunar soil and rocks around the landing site. The elements to be studied include magnesium, aluminium, silicon, potassium, calcium, titanium, and iron. LIBS will conduct qualitative and quantitative elemental analysis in order to infer the chemical and mineralogical composition of the lunar surface. The rover has a mass of 26 kilograms, a mission life of 1 lunar day, and a power generation capacity of 50 watts. LVM-3M4 has a height of 43.5 meters, a lift-off mass of 642 tons, two strap-on motors, a payload fairing, and two stages. The two stages are L110 and C25. The L110 stage will carry a liquid fuel, and the C-25 stage will carry a cryogenic fuel. The strap-on motors carry solid fuel and are solid rocket boosters. The whole world, especially Indians, waiting for the proud moment at 6:04 p.m. on 23 August 2023. The Chandrayaan-3 landing on South Pole of Moon's surface. Be proud to be an Indian, and all the best for Indian Space Research Organization for the particular moment. Dear viewers, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.